Do you like snow? Do you like snow? I have never seen snow. I have never seen snow. What do you do on cold days? What do you do on cold days? I stay indoors and drink tea. I stay indoors and drink tea. Do you like summer? Do you like summer? Not really, it's too hot. Not really, it's too hot. Do you like spring? Do you like spring? Yes, it's beautiful. Yes, it's beautiful. What do you wear in winter? What do you wear in winter? Warm clothes. Warm clothes. Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly? Yes, every morning. Yes, every morning. Do you eat healthy food? Do you eat healthy food? Yes, I try to. Yes, I try to. Do you drink enough water? Do you drink enough water? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you sleep well? Do you sleep well? Yes, about 7 hours. Yes, about 7 hours. Do you smoke? Do you smoke? No, never. No, never. Do you go to the gym? Do you go to the gym? No, I work out at home. No, I work out at home. What do you do to stay healthy? What do you do to stay healthy? I exercise and eat fruits. I exercise and eat fruits. Have you ever been to a hospital? Have you ever been to a hospital? Yes, once. Yes, once. Do you like playing sports? Do you like playing sports? Yes, it's fun. Yes, it's fun. Do you use a computer? Do you use a computer? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Do you have a smartphone? Do you have a smartphone? Yes, I have one. Yes, I have one. What's your favorite app? What's your favorite app? YouTube. YouTube. Do you like online learning? Do you like online learning? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Do you play games on your phone? Do you play games on your phone? Sometimes. Sometimes. Do you use email? Do you use email? Yes, for work. Yes, for work. Do you shop online? Do you shop online? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Do you watch videos online? Do you watch videos online? Yes, on YouTube. Yes, on YouTube. Do you think technology is useful? Do you think technology is useful? Yes, definitely. Yes, definitely. What's your favorite festival? What's your favorite festival? Favorite festival is Eid. Favorite festival is Eid. Do you like traditional clothes? Do you like traditional clothes? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Do you celebrate New Year? Do you celebrate New Year? Yes, every year. Yes, every year. Do you like giving gifts? Do you like giving gifts? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday? Independence Day. Independence Day. What makes you sad? What makes you sad? Losing something. Losing something.